1958 Ford tractor has a solenoid problem. The negative battery terminal is just using a jumper cable here. There's no negative battery cable available at the moment, so I'm going to see if I can fix that. But the point I'm going to show here is that I have to use this auxiliary positive terminal that was put in to carry direct battery current across the tractor and over to the starter itself, bypassing the solenoid. The solenoid clicks. I'll demonstrate that. This is on. Yep. You can hear it click. It's even. Yep. Hear that click? It's clicking, but it's not making contact to start the tractor. So I'm going to hand this over. So what we do instead is follow this red clamp as I bring it down and watch where it ends up, the end of it. You can see I'm going to connect it here and start the tractor. Now I have to switch hands here so I can pull the choke. So by bypassing the solenoid, no problem, the tractor starts right up.